Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and today I wanted to share with you a salad recipe. If you've watched my channel for a while now, you know that I absolutely love salads, and I've actually shared quite a bit of recipes for salads here, but this one is a honey lemon lentil salad. It's actually a friend's cousin's recipe, but I thought I would share it here on my YouTube channel because it's absolutely delicious and you have to try it. So if you guys love salads, hit that notification bell, subscribe, and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So I'm going to walk you through all the ingredients. First, you need some greens. I'm using arugula and then this box of baby spring mix, but any type of green would be good. I just kind of like this kind of pepperiness of arugula. And then you're going to need some onions, cucumber, and toppings. I'm using almonds, pita chips, and cranberries, and of course lentils. I buy the pre-cooked lentils from Trader Joe's to make my life easy, so you can do the same. And for dressing, I have olive oil, honey, lemon pepper, garlic, salt, pepper, and a lemon. So first things first, I'm going to make my dressing in a mason jar. I add 2 tablespoons of a really good olive oil that I get from Costco, and then I'm going to add in honey. A little trick, do the olive oil first and then measure out your honey. That way it'll slide right off the spoon and you don't have to have any stuck to your measuring spoon. A little hack that I learned. And then I'm going to squeeze in my lemon. I used almost a full lemon, maybe a little bit less. And then I'm going to add in my spices. So for my spices, it's really just lemon pepper, salt, as I added a little extra pepper, and then garlic powder. I give that all a really good shake so that it emulsifies, and this is it. That's your dressing. Set that aside, and now you're ready to really just assemble your salad. So I like to add in a lot of arugula. Like I said, I kind of like that flavor that arugula has, and then I add in a lot of just that baby spring mix just to even it out, not so peppery. And then I add in some chopped red onion and some chopped cucumber. You can also add in tomatoes. That would be delicious as well, but this is all that I'm going to add. And now for the toppings, some sliced almonds. You can use other types of nuts as well. And then some cranberries. You can use cherries, blueberries, kind of any of dried fruits would be good here. And then some of that pita chips. I like the garlic parmesan one, but you can use just regular pita chips. And then the lentils. Lentils are already cooked, makes my life easy again, and I'm all about the ease nowadays. And then you top it off with some dressing. I did put a little bit of dressing at first, and I did end up adding a little bit more because it wasn't quite enough, but you kind of just have to play around with it. You can obviously add the entire dressing. I just kind of like to keep it a little bit on the lighter side. So give that all a good mix and you're really done. You're ready to plate this. I love having this with a side of some grilled chicken, maybe some baked tofu, really any type of protein. This salad already has protein from the lentil, but if you want extra, you can add it on the side. But that's it. It's so delicious. It's hearty, it's filling, and oh, you're gonna love it. All right, there you guys go. That is the first recipe after having my son and taking a big break. I'm glad to be back, and I'm glad to kind of share whatever I'm eating and whatever I'm feeling. You can probably hear my son in the background, so it means that I have to leave now. But I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope that you'll check out future recipes. If you like these types of videos, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.